Here I have Peugeot Expert, and let me show you how to use the diagnostic feature on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. From the home screen, all you need to do is use the car icon. If you tap the car icon, you've got access to the following menu. Let's choose here Diagnostic, the second option, and you've got here all information from the vehicle. So here you can check out all alerts or messages or risks that the device, the car, found by itself. So in my case, it's only the risk of ice. As you can see here, this is the information. So the car detects that there is a risk of ice on the road, so I should be careful while I'm driving. It's always a good idea to check those messages from the car by using this diagnostic feature. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.